Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Easy. Here's the fifth type of question that we are going to discuss under this series. Um, this question is about best value for money or value for money, or some people call it best buys. So basically these type of questions will usually give you two or three options, mostly two, of buying something, and then you need to work out which one gives you the best value for money, right? So let's have a look at this question. Flour is sold in two different bag sizes. A small bag contains 2.5 kilograms of flour and cost £3 and 25 pence. Okay. A large bag contains 10 kilograms of flour and cost £12 and 60. Okay, so we have two types of bags. We have the small bag option, then we have the large bag option. So we know the cost of each one, so we can do a comparison. Now, a supermarket also offers a special discount. If you buy 4 small bags, you get 5% off the total cost. Oh, right. Okay. Now, when you get 4 of them, you get 5% off. Which option gives the best value for money? One large bag or 4 small bags with the discount? Now, it clearly says what you need to do. Now, for the large bag is very straightforward. A large bag contains 10 kilogram and the price is £12 and 60 pence. So all you need to do is calculate how much you'll need to spend if you go with the small bag option. Now, a small bag is 2.5 kilograms and the cost is £3 and 25 pence. To get the same mass, to get to 4, it clearly says here 4 small bags, so we can even straight away do this one. So one bag is that much. 4 bags, all you need to do is multiply this one by 4. So let's do the same thing to the other side. Now, £3 and 25 pence times by 4. So that is £13. However, it also says you get the £5 discount, 5% discount. Okay, so let's get the amount after discount. After discount, all you need to do is, in a calculator paper, straight away you can multiply 13 by 0.95. Why 0.95? Because that's 5% off, right? So you can 100 take away 5 is 95. 95% as a multiplier 0.95. So 13 multiplied by 0.95 gives you the answer £12 and 35 pence. £12 and 35 pence. Now, if this came in a non-calculator paper, here's how you do. You need to just think about 10% of £13 is obviously £1.30, right? Because you just divide by 10, right? 10%. But how do I get to 5% then? Half of 10% is 5%. So all you need to do is divide £1.30 by 2. So 130 pence divide by 2. So you get 65p. Now, 13 take away 65p will beautifully again gives you the same answer, £12 and 35 pence. So either way, if it's for a non-calculator paper, then you'll have to do the green one. If it is a calculator paper, you can just multiply. Either way, you get £12 and 35 pence. Now, which option gives the best value for money? This is 12.35, this is 12.60, definitely 12.35 is better. So in a question like this, you'll always need to give like the final answer. So this is how you present it to get full marks in a GCSE exam. £12 and 35 pence is less than £12 and 60. You can also do this in words, but this is a maths paper, so using inequality sign is really good. £12.35 is less than £12.60. So uh, 4 small bags give the best value for money. Okay, so that's how you present the answer to a question like this. Please pause the video and have a quick look at this question. If you want to jot down something, you can. And let's try a question. I'm going to give another question now. You need to pause the video and try this question on your own before you press play to check the correct answer. Here you can see the correct answer. It's kind of similar to the previous question. You look at a small bottle and you can find the cost to buy 3 liters of juice. With the discount, it comes to £10 and 60. Large bottle, it's £9 and 60 pence. Obviously, buying the large bottle is the best value because £9 60 for 3 liters is the better value for money here. Let's do another question. This question is similar to the previous questions we've done. Please pause the video and give it a try. And when you are ready, press play. Here is the correct answer for this question. Please check the answer. Thank you.